All right, this is 1.07. That was your constructed response. So remember, to get credit, you must show all your work. So this tells you to use the side-splitting theorem to find the length of the segment JM. So JM is this segment right here. And they tell you that it's 2x plus 4. So you can set up a proportion to solve this. So we know that Km is to Mj or Jm as Kn is to Nl. So here's your proportion. Plug in the values that they've given you. So 5 over 2x plus 4 is equal to 6 over 12x. And then you're simply going to cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply the 6 times the 2x plus 4 and then the 5 times the 12. So I've got 6 times 2x plus 4. Remember to distribute the 6 to both these terms. So 6 times 2x is 12x. 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 12 is 60. I'm going to subtract 24 from both sides. That gives me 36. Divide both sides by 12. And x is equal to 3. But they didn't ask you for x, right? They asked you for Jm. So Jm is equal to 2x plus 4. So remember, we've got to plug the 3 in here for x. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 is your correct answer. The second one on 1.07 is using the angle bisector here. We got an angle bisector, shows these are two are equal. So that tells us that AB over BD is equal to AC over DC. Another way you can do that is kind of cross multiply these two together and cross these two together, which gets you to this step right here. So 12 times x is equal to 15 times 6. Divide both sides by 12 and we get x is equal to 7.5, which would be BD. Make sure to show all your work.